years full of favoritism, Nikon has just dropped two exciting new Z-mount lenses designed specifically for its DX format mirrorless cameras, and they're definitely not just the second best. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Nikon just dropped the new Nikon Z DX 16-50mm f2.8 VR and Nikon Z DX MC 35mm f1.7 macro lenses, which are set to provide pro-level versatility to models like the Nikon Z52. A reminder that DX is still very much in the game. First up, the 16-50mm VR is a true game changer. The first constant f2.8 zoom in the DXZ series. With a full frame equivalent of 24-75mm, it lands right in the sweet spot for everyday pros who love portraits, landscapes, and traveling. Its super close focusing will give you that dreamy background blur you didn't have in APS-C sensors before, and Nikon's built-in vibration reduction promises up to 5 stops of shake reduction for handheld low-light shooting. The other 35mm macro lens is small, lightweight, and fast. It's got true macro capabilities with an effective 1:1 magnification thanks to the DX crop factor. It's ideal for still life, food photography, or capturing fine details. Plus, that f1.7 aperture means beautiful portraits and close-ups are winning here. Both lenses are compact, lightweight, and video-friendly, with autofocus and minimal focus breathing. Nikon clearly listened to what the user said with these releases, and it's thrown some serious creative tools into the hands of beginners. Get the 16-50mm at $899.95 and the 35mm macro at $449.95 on October 30th. Are you ready to flex your photography with these? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.